How to view recently watched reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Now head towards the Reel section. In the case you haven't restarted your device or your Instagram app, you can easily view recently watched reels. All you have to do is swipe up and you will be able to see all the recently watched reels of your Instagram account. Likewise, in the case you have made any changes in the reels, such as you have liked the reel or commented on any reel, you can easily view that. For that, you have to head towards your profile. Now at the top right, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option Your Activity. Now over here, you will find the interaction section. Under that, you will find the option of likes and comments. You can open these options. Over here, you're gonna find the liked reels. Likewise, you're gonna find the reels in which you have commented. So these are the way to view recently watched reels on Instagram. I hope you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.